Hi and welcome to the Retail in E-commerce Stores Installation and Configuration for Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 R3 e-learning course. My name is Muttaya. I am from Microsoft Services Global Delivery. I work as a consultant in Dynamics AX with more than 8 years of experience. I specialize in e-commerce and point of sale. I am a Microsoft certified professional in SharePoint, Dynamics AX, HTML5 and XAML. I have been part of major customizations and implementations of Dynamics AX for retail, e-commerce for various clients with Microsoft services. One of the great things about Dynamics AX for retail is that you have a large number of options to expand channels of sale and also reach consumers and handle major challenges and channels like brand consistency, being connected and transparent with consumers. Dynamics AX for retail provides new capabilities and next generation innovation to help retailers deliver a complete shopping experience by offering end-to-end search-based e-commerce, enterprise point of sale, next generation point of sale which is also called as mobile point of sale. Hence, it's a true omni-channel commerce engine across all retail channels. Let's get started with the course where I am going to share knowledge on architecture of the e-commerce solution and its components, how to install the online storefront, how to configure and publish the online store, how to manage the products for the store and how to manage the store through SharePoint experience, plus some deployment considerations for the e-commerce solution. Okay, let's move on to the module 1 where we will be discussing about omni-channel vision. E-commerce solution is an integral part of Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail omni-channel vision, and in this module I'll describe this vision and explain why the e-commerce solution is an integral part of that vision. Omni-channel vision with Dynamics AX for retail as a platform is that retailers expect to sell products through various channels like website, in-store, call center, social networks, etc. with a rich retail experience for the consumers. Market data highlights that multifaceted customer engagement with more and more consumers making an online purchase at least once a month, an increasing number of consumers looking to social space like Facebook for information about retailers before making a purchase, and retail organizations expanding and redefining their physical store locations to drive a more direct and personalized brand experience. Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail is an end-to-end solution for mid-size and enterprise retailers that provides management capabilities across the retail channels including brick and mortar stores and e-commerce, and delivers powerful, flexible, role-tailored omni-channel scenarios seamlessly through a modern unified technology offering. Okay, let's take a look at this image in this slide which illustrates the Microsoft Dynamics AX channel vision. So if you see this slide, this is the focus of omni-channel vision going forward with Microsoft Dynamics AX, wherein already we have covered up with web, mobile, social media, stores, financial, supply chain integration, replenishment and demand planning. So kiosk is something which is focused towards the future, and if you see with retail with omni-channel vision, we have lot of connectivity with the consumers through the customer care with its call center support and also with marketing modules of Dynamics AX 2012 R3. So coming back, Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 for retail reduces complexity for retailers and so that they can focus on what is important, connecting to customers, empowering their people and delivering on the brand promise through excellence in execution. In short, Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 helps retailers become dynamic. With the omni-channel vision approach, retailers gain insight, operate with agility, exceed consumer expectations and build enduring loyalty with superior time to value. This reduces complexity for retailers. Therefore, they can focus on empowering their employees to deliver differentiated and personally relevant customer service experience that distinguish them in today's marketplace. Retailers worldwide have been using Microsoft Dynamics already for their retail to take their business into the future. Microsoft Dynamics e-commerce solution is an integral part of retail omnichannel vision. It provides an online storefront based on SharePoint 2013 that is configured and managed centrally from Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail. In this module, we learnt about basic introduction to Microsoft Dynamics AX for retail and how Dynamics AX has a true omni-channel vision. I will see you in the next module where we will talk about e-commerce architecture.